how are you? It's DYEING and welcome to a new video! In today's video I look like a mess, as you can see. I just bleached my roots and I'm going to dye my hair again. I'm going to tone down these roots and I'm going to make this part black again because as you can see it's kind of faded. And I'm going to tone this as well. And I thought, why not just show you guys how I'm going to do this, because you really like my hair dyeing videos, because those are like the most watched videos on my channel. So I thought you probably like these videos. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do today. I don't think I'm going to talk because then this video is going to be really long. So I'm just going to do my hair and you can be a part of this experience. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out yet, because as you all know I frequently fuck up my hair. So I'm not sure if today is going to be any exception on that. Probably not. I'm probably going to look like an idiot, but you know, that's okay. But before I'm going to start the video, I just want to tell you guys why I bleached this part of my hair, because a lot of people don't understand why I bleached the black part of my hair, which makes sense because that's not like a usual thing to do. But the reason I do this is because I wanted to be able to fade back to a silver, because this black is actually a really dark purple. So eventually it will like fade out. Purple fades to a silver eventually. But of course your hair can't turn silver if it's not platinum, because your hair needs to be platinum in order to change to silver. So yeah, this is just easier for me, because otherwise if I don't do this and I want to turn my hair silver again, that means that I need to bleach my entire hair. And now I don't need to do that because I've already bleached it. You know? Okay. Super interesting. Let's just get started on the video. I'm going to put some cool music on and I'm just going to do my hair, and then I'll be right back at the end of the video to show you guys how it turned out. So let's get started. Again with my new hair. Oh my god, I love it so much. I love it so much. It looks a lot better than the first time I dyed it, because this side is just a little bit lighter and a little bit more silver than it was before. And of course I also re-dyed this part of my hair to make it darker again, because as you've seen in the clip before this, my hair was like a light purple. It was really weird. So now I have like black and silver, exactly how I want it to be. So I am super excited about this. I did use a few other products after I've used the toner in my hair because my hair was still a little bit yellow. So the products that I used are the Overtone Vibrant Silver Daily Conditioner and the Overtone Vibrant Silver Weekly Treatment. And this stuff actually works really well and it got all the yellow bits out of my hair, so that is amazing. And this stuff smells like mint, which is really weird but also really nice. Kind of smells like toothpaste, but for your hair, I don't know, I love it, it's great. So yeah guys, this is how I fixed my own hair. The main thing that you need to get from this video is that if you're going to dye your hair silver, just make sure that you tone it like the first time and not dye it silver and then remove the silver and then tone it again and then put silver on top of it, because that's just a lot of work and it all could have been a lot quicker and easier if I just used toner the first time I dyed my hair, but I didn't. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. And I really want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!